What's going on, guys? We had one trade today on the SPY. I'm trying to look over this opening bell of RHE because I missed it. I was waiting for a better entry and then I missed the whole move, and I'm trying to figure out how I could have gotten this. So the open hits and I'm waiting for like 276. I was going to take a starter at 286, but then I just didn't, and it took off without me, and I was frustrated because I was like, this is my setup, and now we're 50 cents, 40 cents above where I was going to buy. So now I'm looking for a pullback to the next level, 297, and I was going to dip by here, and it just never came back down. It went back up to 350, and I'm thinking like, now do I buy at 322, or is that chasing it? Because this could just easily roll over all the way back down to $3. But there's so many people stepping up on the bid, I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I kind of froze. I don't know, it just kept hitting target after target after target. And then, as you can see here, we finally got a pullback. And maybe that would have been the entry, but I already deleted my lines. But my line, like my next line was, where was it? 322, 297. I think the biggest one was $3 because VWAP is down in here. So if we go and we look around $3, but it dumps so hard. I don't know, man. I was frustrated because I was like, well, that could have been another $500, $600 day, and then I was like trying to find something to trade. I think in here in my orders, yeah, I tried to get into ARCI because it halted. It shot up out of nowhere and was halted. And then the order, what is this? 430. I didn't get filled though. 430 was right here. Yeah, at the halt level. I was trying to get filled as it unhalted. Let's go back to this. As it unhalted, and then it shot up, and then as it came back down, I said, maybe I don't want to get filled on the way down because it just touched VWAP. It might slam through, so I canceled the order. I didn't get filled, as you can see in my trades here. I didn't get filled, and it just died, and I was like, okay, I guess that was a good trade. So I'm really just trying to figure out how I could have done RHE better. And it never hit my first target, or my first support line, and I think that was what, 287? Yeah, 287. So it just, oh my god, the low of that candle, or 286, and the low of that candle was 287. So I don't know if I would have gotten filled if I had tried to get that, but in any case, I did not get that, and then it shot up all the way like $1 per share without me and came back down. So what I took instead, and what I'm still in right now actually, are SPY puts. Now, as you can see by my entry, a pretty good entry and an awesome exit on, I think I only had 24 contracts. I was just kind of adding after I had my core position. Yeah, I had 24 of them, and then I sold 14, and I have 5 left. So let me show you the SPY. So I bought the first ones at 10.02. So 10.02 was right in here. I didn't think we would make it all the way up to yesterday's close, but in fact we had one final squeeze, and then it rolled over. And I don't think I was selling in here. I was waiting. I was adding a couple more contracts at 10.03. I think 4 of them. That's how I got to 24. So at 10.03, I thought this was it. I thought after this we were just going to head downwards. So I added 4 contracts in here, and we squeezed, and then we dumped. So I was selling. Actually, it was just one order. I sold at 10.22. Right here on this candle. I think I have it in the video here. Oh, we might be able to see my ARCI order. Yeah, thank God I didn't get filled on that. I think I was just testing out to see if the hotkey was working. Yeah, you can see the order down here, and I immediately just take it away. It's good that I didn't get filled on that. So anyways, on the SPY. Let's see here. What was I looking for exactly? Like I said, I was selling at 10.22. Sorry, I just kind of forgot exactly what I was doing there. So 10.22. On the video, I have the contracts, so I can't show you what I saw on the level 2 of the actual SPY. But what I was seeing was a lot of filling, a lot of hidden orders, a lot of refresh buying. So like someone was sitting there at 261 and it was being sold into like 10,000 shares, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then it would refresh to 10. And that kept happening at each cent in this area. That's why it was so choppy. So I sold 19 of them at 10.22, right on this candle right here. And then as it dipped, it came back up, and I think we're going to actually make, yeah, we're making new all-time highs, or daily highs right now. So I think I might actually have to stop out of these. Like I said, I have 5 of them left, and I think with that confirmation now, let me just look. If we hit over 290.07, I pretty much have to stop out. So I'm just going to put a stop on these. 5 at 30.29. So right here on the SPY, if we break through this double top right now, then I believe that we're going to keep going. So actually we just broke through. So I'm going to get stopped at any second on those. So I'm only up 220. If I get stopped out, I'll be up 200 or so. Finishing the day with an okay day. I'm kind of upset that I missed RHE. That would have been a really nice winner, but hopefully that was helpful. I got a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm out of here. If you guys have comments, questions, leave them down there. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.